Good morning, good afternoon, or good night. Hello, my dear acquaintances. One person in my comments asked me if I could do a locking tutorial, which I've done before, but I've only done it once and it was a long time ago. So I decided I'm going to redo it again. I'm not going to be retying my whole hair because one, I always like my hair to grow out for long periods of time. So what I'm going to do is I call them my accent locks. So these are like not four. I think there's 1, 2, 3, 6. So there's 6 pieces in the front of my head that I like to do. And they're short because I always keep unlocking them, which I'm stopping. I'm not doing it anymore. But I kept unlocking them and cutting them so that they stay short. But now I think I might just let them grow out. But I usually like them a little shorter than the rest of my hair. And it kind of shapes my face a little bit. And it's like accents to my hair, if that makes sense. So as you can see, some of my locks are already done. I did them previously before this video just to show you what they look like when they're all complete. And the ones that you see here are already grown out, and it's not that much growth because it's only been like what, a month? No, not a month, sorry. Whoa. I meant to say like maybe 2 weeks. And my hair's already only grown out a little bit. Like I've already done my hair this month, so it hasn't been that long since I did a whole retie all over my head. Now, my methods are very untraditional. I use a closed mouth hairpin or bobby pin, whatever you choose to call it. I wrap it around my loose coiled ends and use it as kind of like a sewing needle, and do a 4-point rotation, usually on my hair. I don't need to do a full rotation at this point because, like I said, my hair hasn't grown out that much. So I only did like 2 passes and then it was comfortably done. And I'm not going to stress this enough, I do not do it to where it's uncomfortably tight. I only just do it where it is at least in the direction that I want it to lay down on. Now there's a couple things that I want to mention. One, always do reties when your hair is moisturized so you have enough elasticity in your hair so that it doesn't cause breakage. Number 2, the reason why I use a bobby pin is because it is a cheap tool that comes in an abundance. So I've seen the price for the little sewing needles or whatever, and I'm not gonna lie, I'm gonna lose that thing so easily, and it costs to me unreasonably amount compared to the abundance I get in a pack of like 100 bobby pins that I can buy at the store for like $3. So you know, if I had to choose between one item and 100 items for a smaller amount of money, I'm gonna go with that. So I've been doing this method since I started my locks. I've never had any problems, no breakage, and it's a very cheap way to maintain my hair. So that is why I use a bobby pin. And I also want to say that this method works if you have loose coiled ends. If you don't, you may have a much difficult time with this method. In that case, that's what the tool is for. But in my case, this works just perfectly. Wow, that was really fast, simple, and my favorite, cheap. What did you guys think of this new method? I know some people will be highly against it, but I've been doing this since all my lock journey and it's worked perfectly for me. Please put your opinions in the comments below, as well as subscribe because I post at random times. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and stay locked. Bye.